installation was simpler than I thought it was going to be. The instructions were clearly well written and helped me understand what parts were what. The hardest part was just pushing the hoses onto the PEX tubes, which took me about 5 minutes, and the installation entirely took around an hour. I would definitely recommend this system to my family and friends. It was simple to install and understand, and affordable, and easy for me to install as an average homeowner. The HUG Hydronics system is the simplest option that I could see out there for hookup and installation and operation.